Good morning, guys. What up, what up, what up? We will start in 9 minutes as usual, right? Get the questions and that in. I will be with you guys in a bit. Good morning, guys. What up to those who have just joined? We will start in 8 minutes. I will see you all then. Peace. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everybody. What up? 6 minutes till we get started. 6 minutes. Get the questions in, tickers, like it up, and I will see you then. All right. Peace. Yo, I think I gave out the wrong link. And now we should get more people in. Let's get started. Let me change my screen. All right, I just put out the new link. I think I put out the wrong link by accident. All good. Hopefully people will be joining up soon now. Let's see. Did I put up the wrong link? Yeah, I did, didn't I? Can anyone confirm that I put the wrong link? Good afternoon, what up? Okay, I'm gonna go through Twitter quickly and then I'll get to you guys, okay? Someone's asking me about Wrecker. REKR, what's happening with REKR? REKR is still bullish. REKR is here. Let's move this to here. We are still in a falling wedge, bullish pennant. Falling wedge, psychological support. This looks good. Wrecker, still bullish. Still bullish. Lays was an absolute monster. Lays was fantastic. PRPH, let's have a look. PRPH, yeah, I'll give you levels here. I think I just charted that one earlier. Guys, I know there's like 500 bots liking and stuff on my posts, which is kind of annoying. Unfortunately, I cannot do anything. I tried to text Elon. He has me blocked. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, I can't do anything. I don't know how to fix it. So it's kind of annoying because, yeah, it's just ruining all my posts, to be honest. Anyway, but I know you guys are all smart and just ignore that trash. RKLB looks good. Still in the demand zone with a falling wedge. This is beautiful. This is what we like to see. Yesterday was a fantastic day for me yesterday. Made up my losses from Monday and also in the green for the week, which is lovely to hear. RKLB expecting breakout. Looks good. Bullish setup, falling wedge, bullish reversal pattern, demand zone, buy a step in to push it up. Right, you guys will notice I'll say the same thing over and over again. It sounds the same because every time I talk about these, it's because I do the same thing every time. I don't chop and change my strategy because it doesn't work one day. Yes, if I have one trade red, it's okay. It's not the end of the world. If I have two trades red, it's okay. It's not the end of the world because I know that I can make my trade back. For instance, on Tuesday, I gave 2 red alerts in the Discord and I stopped trading. After 2 trades, 2 red trades in a row, I stopped trading and I come back the next day. So what I did was, when I lost my 2 trades on Monday or Tuesday, all I did was I just took my losses and I moved on and I waited for yesterday and I got 3 green trades in a row, which ran all over 10%, which was fantastic. And that's how you manage a risk. New traders, what they would have done is when they lost 2 trades, they probably would have kept trading till probably 20, 30 trades lost and then blown their account and then kept trading for some reason. And that's what separates good traders from bad traders, right? That's why the Discord is great, because it preaches and shows you risk management every day. Whether you like it or not, we're not 100% correct, but we can for sure show you the consistency of a trader, and that is the reality, right? No one's 100% correct, unfortunately. Maybe your furu that you follow, but nothing is, you know, it's not consistent and it will never happen, unfortunately. You have to accept it. Just focus on your strategy and try and perfect it as best you can. That's what I try and do every day. This needs 123 break. Soba. Soba is a former runner as well, so we'll just keep that one on watch. Wok did break 5, yes. Ooh, we got it. Right, good morning, guys. Any chart requests on Discord? No, brought them up. Okay. What up, Totes? Totes, NIVF, yes, happy Thursday all. I'm looking forward to today. Yesterday I had no wins, no losses. That is amazing to hear. 3 strong trades yesterday, LYT or QBTS. Very, very nice, well done. NIVF, good run in the NIVF, what's happening here? NIVF's coming down now. Lays is bullish. I put this on the watch list for everyone today. We had a falling wedge and a demand zone. This is perfect. This is the same setup that I like to look at on a larger time frame when I take my swing trade setups. Very bullish setup. As I say, demand zones where buy step in to push up. Falling wedge is a bullish reversal pattern. So it needs to break $4 now. Lays needs to break above $4 next. Let's see what Lays does. So what I'm going to do with Lays, you know, yesterday I did not alert Lays. And I know it ran up towards the end of the day, which was kind of annoying. I was hesitant on doing it. People in the members in the Discord, you know, when I was looking for entries, to remind you, for Discord members, this is where I was looking. If you remember, we were over here. Remember, I was talking about the $3 psychological level. This is exactly where we were entering. Remember, VWAP was right here. This is where we were looking, remember, for entries. And then the rest was history. How much did that run up? 350. Oof, 20%. Very nice. But yes, very nice on Lays. SOUN. This one's been slow off the other plays. SOUN. Yeah, SOUN, you need $11.90 for any entries. You have a demand zone here, but yeah, needs $11.90. SOUN, wait for 11.90. Break. So guys, you'll notice that I have this yellow line a lot of times, right? The yellow line like this is the exact same thing as when I put the purple line, right? When I have a purple line, you know, this one like that. They are exactly the same thing, okay? The reason why I have purple, the purple is just like the high point. So for instance, I would have a purple line here, right? And then above there, I would give you the key levels. For this one, because this is already, or it's in a downtrend, you can then wait for the reversal to happen. You can wait for this yellow break and then entry to the upside. That's how it is. Quantum stocks are unstable. Yeah, but they're still good. I still like Quantum. Quantum's been hacked. Yes. RKLB, good morning from Ohio. What up? I went to Ohio when I was in college. I went to Toledo. Yeah, RKLB looks good. Expecting a breakout. Please keep a stop loss. This looks good. Any entries on this? I would wait for a break of the high, which is 7.8. 0.78 is where I would look for entries, personally. Wok is loving it. Yes, Wok was nice. I didn't take it, but I just charted in the Discord. I think I put it on Twitter as well. Yeah, Wok looks good. We'll see what it can do today. Just move this up now to new resistance, 525. Yeah, we'll just wait and see what happens here. Nice little pop though. Probably going to get sold off for the rest of the day now. Hi, what up? Key levels for PRPH. PRPH. I think I have it on the 4 hour. Here. $1. 0.65. We can move this here now. Move it here. 0.77 and $1. $1, we'll just put this in blue. We can look for a possible prediction like this. So we had a break above, retest here, and then to the upside. Guys, just remember this line that I draw, okay? This does not mean that it's going to come down to this level here and it's going to go up to this. I'm just predicting what is going to happen with the price action overall. I predict it to go up, which it has, come down to around this level and push to the upside. Doesn't mean it's going to go to $1, okay? A lot of people need to understand that because it's impossible to know. I don't know what will happen. Right, I can predict based on technicals, but I cannot tell you what price the stock will go to. Okay, PRPH prediction. AIFF. AIFF is very bearish. Wait for 1074. AIFF, wait for 1074 break to enter. All right. So nothing on this now. The reason why I say 1074 is because you have clean resistance here. Break above this, push the upside. I would ignore this because it's still in a strong bearish. But if you can get volume to push at least up to here, looks good to continue to the upside. MNDR. Is that on my watch list? It is 26%. MNDR is getting sold off pretty much. I just would remove it, to be honest, unless you want to take it. 0.5488 would be an entry point. HEPA, what's happening with HEPA? HEPA sleeping. Yeah, HEPA is pretty much sleeping. Not really too much going on, to be honest with you. Move this into a falling wedge, possibly like this. Yeah, you're in a falling wedge. Looks pretty good. Falling wedge. We have a support level here. You can use this demand zone if you would like. Yeah, so same thing as always. This is a falling wedge demand zone, bullish reversal pattern, and buyers are going to step in, should push up. So when I put falling wedge plus demand zone, that means that there are possible entries when you can enter inside here. You always enter, please make sure to have a stop loss. It's extremely important that you do that. If you do not use a stop loss when you're trading, you should remove yourself from trading and quit. LGMK is extremely bearish. There is nothing more bearish than this in a long time. I haven't seen a chart more bearish than this in a very, very, very long time. So LGMK is extremely bearish. I hope no one in this live trading right now is in this trade. What up, Lux? Happy Thursday. Yes, I'm ready to take a couple trades and get out of here. Yep, wrong link. Yes, my bad, my bad. Let's go. Bedside to Millions. I really like that name. That's a very cool name. OCEA. Everybody who's asked me about this in the last 24 hours, please take a screenshot. Open your eyes. Send it to your cat, dog, mouse, chameleon, snake, whatever you want to do. You are not taking the trade unless this breaks above 0.235. OCEA, there are no entries unless this breaks and closes above 0.235. That should be very simple, okay? You should understand what that means. It means that the candle body must close above 0.2350. If it does not close above this level, you are not taking the trade. This means, another example or explanation, like this, anything below all the way down to $0, you are not taking the trade. Anything below 0.235 is danger. Red, bearish, sells, going down. Okay, that's it. Easy. Right. How about OSTX? OSTX, what's happening with that? OSTX, nothing exciting. You had a pop here yesterday, was it, or the day before? $3.69, right? So we have this like that here. Yeah, you could wait for 369. It's way down, but it's a very bearish chart. I personally would just leave it for now. So we have wait for 369, break to enter. All right, 369. Unfortunately, it's like 100% move or like 60% move. But just got to be safe. How dare he? QBTS. QBTS looks good. Yeah, it's holding $7 into open. Should push to the upside as long as quantum keeps going. Looks good. I like it. Your next level here as well. So these are your key levels. You can save this chart, screenshot it, whatever you need to do. FGN 2 entry. 103 above the breaker high. 103 would be entry. Great week overall. Been 2 days. HMR. I don't know why people ask me about this. There's no price action on this, or what is this? This is a IPO or reverse split. What is this? Yeah, I mean, right now I don't really like trading something like this. Maybe above $10 you could look for a trade. Entry. Yeah, $10 maybe, but something like this with little price action, not my kind of setup. These are the ones that like to get manipulated big time. This is HMR. Wait for $10 break. I will not be touching this stock at all today. I will be far, far, far away from it. That's correct. We have 100 people in here and we have 30 likes. That is 30% of you. Guys, please like it up. It goes a long way. Also, just subscribe. Click subscribe right now. Let's get to 4K with, I don't know how many followers, 20 followers away or whatever, 200. BRTX. Yes, 20 of you guys can subscribe right now and get us there. Come on, I know you can do it. BRTX, very nice. I will add it to my watch list. If I was to take a trade, I would take it above $3. $3. $3 break equals entry. BRTX, $3 break. Guys, this is also the Discord link here. People ask me every day, so I'm just going to tell you this is the link. It's a WAP link. You click on the WAP link. Once you click on the WAP link, you then choose the 1 month or 3 month tier. From there, you claim Discord access, and then all the alerts, swing trades, setups, education, chat, everything is in the Discord. Okay, all the seminars that you watch and learn about the strategy and the basics and risk management is on your WAP portal once you join. All right. FGEN, wait for 103 break. So 104 is your entry point. All right. 104 break. AISP. Okay, AISP is bearish. There is nothing on AISP. So we can remove this now. We can remove this. So AISP needs to hold support here. AISP, yeah, needs to hold this support. Let's see what happens. ADTX. ADTX in a falling wedge here. Let's see. 30-minute. We're in a downtrend. Trying to break out. Definitely keep this on the watch list. It's down 11%, but it's trying to curl up. Orange, sub $1. I have a lot of players on my watch list, but you know what? When market opens, there won't be many left. So ADTX trying to break. Downtrend. Trying to break the downtrend. I might try and do a stream next week during intraday for maybe like 30 minutes and see how the views get. I'll probably do it after live trading. Just to see how it is and see if people are willing to join. QBTS. QBTS. I see everybody's question, just bear with me. QBTS needs to hold $7, which was here. Yeah, it just needs to hold $7 into open. We'll see. What do you think about CPIX? Got in yesterday, sell when the market opens. 513. 513, very nice. You got in at 513. At the moment, you just hit a resistance here at 670. At the moment, it is still bullish. The reason I say that is because you've made a higher high. However, you need to now make a, or it's also made a higher low, but now you need to make a higher high. So what you've done is you've broken this high here, obviously. Now you're making a higher low. If this breaks the high here, it should continue to go up like that. All right, so that's what you have. But I would wait for 670 break if, oh, well, you're in it, so. Needs 670 break and volume. Volume will push this thing up. No volume, no push up. Are you expecting a break on MCVT? Where's MCVT? Am I expecting a break up? Not right now, unless it gets above VWAP. VWAP's here, 260 at the moment. We'll wait and see what it does do, though. Can wait and see what it does do then. Let me delete this tweet. That one's no longer valid. Same as that. Where is the new tweet that I just put out? You find it. Someone just asked me for the link. That is the old link. Let me just put this link out quickly. Give me 2 secs. Give me 2 seconds, everybody. All right, just resending this link out so we can get some people in here because people are clicking the wrong link. Okay, cool. Yeah, this one needs VWAP. There's nothing. If something's below VWAP, just wait for it to close above VWAP. That's the best tip I can give you. HMR, I went over this already. I don't like this setup. Anything over $10 maybe, but yeah, I don't really like that chart. BRTX just popped. Yeah, I went over it. BRTX above $3 maybe is good entries, but anything that I'm not really too interested, to be honest with you. Dell, large cap stock. Dell is nothing really. I mean, Dell's hitting a resistance right now, which is at $121. Looks like it's coming down. Yeah, Dell's just at a resistance. There's nothing you can do about that at the moment. I don't know if they have earnings or something coming up, but at the moment, not too great. Yeah, nothing. Maybe a pullback into this 115 level, good buys. ALUR. Let's get some questions in here, guys. I love posting tickers, which is so much fun. As you guys can tell, I love it so much. But I know everybody struggles with at least something in trading or doesn't understand what I'm posting or charting or something, the lines, the colors, whatever it is. Ask those questions. Those are the ones where you learn. Me charting and posting this means nothing, to be honest. Right? It doesn't really mean too much to those, because unless you're in it or you need to take the trade, then it's different. ALUR is bearish. Stevie Wonder can see that one. Does the market, technically speaking, run on human behavior? So is understanding that help when trading? Technically speaking, run on human behavior. I mean, basically, when you buy at support and resistance, that's kind of, people say human behavior, because that's where the big moves are, and that's when people have their orders stuff. But you know, I base my entries off technicals, and technicals is kind of linked with human behavior in a sense, because if you learn that, you know, it all falls in together. It's kind of like a maths problem. So once you figure out how to do that, you can kind of get the answer. ADTX, yeah, I went over ADTX. ADTX, it's trying to break out here. Looks good. B-Hat, what's happening at B-Hat? B-Hat's up again. B-Hat was a monster yesterday. Can we get continuation from yesterday? B-Hat is looking saucy. B-Hat, let's see. B-Hat, can we get another downtrend break? Who thinks B-Hat will get another downtrend break? If it's up 10%, there's a high probability that it will probably break. Okay, CNSP. CNSP is bearish. Nothing on CNSP. Thing's 8 cents. I would not touch it. Okay, so Mania has asked, what percent do you recommend to make a stop loss? So I want everybody to understand this, okay? Because if I understood trading the way I did now to when I started, it would be a world of a difference. Everybody listen up. Having a stop loss is extremely important. Where you put it is completely up to you. You will be in other discords. Other people will tell you things. YouTube, StockTwits, whoever you ask will tell you differently, right? Meaning, some people will tell you have a 10% stop loss. Some people have a 20% stop loss. Some people have a 5% stop loss. Some people have a 50% stop loss. It just depends on that person's strategy and how they trade. If they're day traders, usually they have smaller stop loss. Swing trades, long term, that's larger stop loss. But overall, it just depends. What do you want to do? I'm assuming, and I will take it, that you want to become a day trader. The easiest way I would say is you need to find a strategy that works. A strategy means where are you entering and where are you taking your trade? Okay, why are you entering the trade? Not just buying it because Tiger said something, because Tiger posted this, because someone on Twitter posted this, on StockTwits someone said buy. That's not a strategy. You're just buying because someone else does it, all right? So all it means is that you need to find out why you're taking the trade. It can be a technical reason, fundamental, whatever. Day traders based on technicals, so I suggest if you want to become a day trader, understand technicals, understand candlesticks, understand what chart patterns are, understand read candles as well. So it's very important to know all that stuff. For me, I like to use a maximum 3% stop loss. Some people use a 5%. It's up to you. If you're doing a day trade, I wouldn't have more than a 5%, 10%, 5% stop loss, to be honest. But it just depends how much risk you're willing to take with your trade. You have 5% stop loss, 10% target, or do you want a 5% stop loss, 5% target? Just depends. Will you be doing any trades in live today? On Discord, yes I do. Here, no, I don't do any. That people ask. But if you want to know any trades that I do take, they are all in the Discord, which starts from market open, and then we start to look from plays from there. XOS, nothing on this, below VWAP. I'll just keep it on watch today, but at the moment, not too interested right now. Not too interested. HMR is what mogul. Ah, okay. Oh, Tim, that makes sense. Understood. Wasn't looking too good last week, but we are here. Envis. Yeah, Envis looks nice. A break probably, hopefully, before open or into open will look good, good, good. B hat. I went over B hat, and I will do it one more time for everybody. Please make sure you're taking profits. Everybody who took this trade that I posted last week and this week, you should be green on this trade at least 20%. At least. If you are still buying this, that is not a good idea at all. Okay? If you're up 20%, take your profits, sell 80% of it, move your stop loss to your break even, and let the rest run. See what happens. If it hits your stop loss, you're out. If it keeps running, scale out when you're happy. That's it. Right? How are you hunting them when market opens? What do you mean? NIVF 235. Yes, correct. 247, 229. 247, 229. Close though. Yes. I'll definitely join the stream. Lovely. Keep doing the great things. Talk to you. Cheers, Kevin. SINT, is that reversing now or what? SINT is down 9%. Volume's kind of dead on it. SINT ran not yesterday, day before. SINT, I would wait for. I'm going to go through these wicks just to get some touches here. Yeah, it needs a downtrend break, to be honest. Don't really like something like this at the moment. But you can keep it on watch. The reason I say that is because it's a former runner and these usually like to run. I'm usually on boat intraday. Living the dream, my friend. HMR. Thank you. Got it. Like Tiger. What do you think of it? SMCI is very bullish. Very, very bullish. Very, very bullish. Yeah, bullish, bullish, bullish. How does the stop loss work? What's the best strategy? That's a very, very broad question. You place a stop loss so you don't lose. That's what a stop loss is for. Well, not so you don't lose. It's to manage your risk. So if you enter at 525 and you have a 5% stop loss, that means you've entered the trade here. And you have a, let's say, 10% stop loss. So that means if you enter the trade at 535, your stop loss is at 478. That means if you go with $1,000 and you lose 10%, you are losing $100. That's quick maths. Now, if you enter the trade and you hit your first target, which is 10% from your entry, let's assume here, you make $100. So you're making $100 to lose $100. That is a one-to-one risk to reward. There's no best strategy. I wish I knew the best strategy so I never ever lose. APTO is running. Thing keeps wicking up and down. I don't know, it's a bit of a weird one. Wait for this high, 0.264. APTO 25 entry. I would enter even before, to be honest. Above this 2464. Thank you. How do you determine good uptrend volume? All these top gainers that are up at least 10-20%. Easy way to find volume. Most of these stocks, or all of them, are over the average volume, which is a good indication. Uptrend volume. Uptrend is just by looking at the stock overall. Depends what time frame you're looking at. 5-minute time frame is what I use when I'm trading. That is what I use. INLF. INLF. Nothing on this. Extremely, extremely bearish. Nothing less $4.10. Tiger, when do you consider a trade has failed? It hits your mental stop loss? No. Before I enter every trade I've taken, and I always do it for the rest of my life, before I take any trade ever, I tell you guys this, and I've told you again, and I will say it again. Are you ready? Why have I entered the trade? Then, where is my stop loss? Then where is my target? And that is it.
I've entered my trade. Why? Maybe because it's broker resistance. Fantastic. My stop loss is 5%. My target is 5%. Bang, that's it. No mental stop loss. No mental target. That is it. Same thing over and over and over again. Boring trading works. That is it. MCVT, nothing unless VWAP. It is still bearish right now. Right. Is there more downtime on CVNA? Ever apply your principle to large caps? Yeah, I do for my swing trades. I do for my swing trades. CVNA, is there more downside? Looks at the moment, looks like it's reversing. I mean, it has clean range all the way to the upside, to be honest. I can't believe the stock is $265. Damn. Which stock do you think has the most potential? I have no idea. I don't want to tell you because you're probably going to full Paul. And I don't know. If I did know, then I promise you I would go take out a loan right now for $1 zillion and I would put it all in that stock. But unfortunately, I do not know. I can tell you that all the stocks here on the left-hand side have high probability of running. Which ones are going to run? I don't know. I just add these to my watch list. I then wait for market open. I wait 20 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, however long it takes for me to get my setup and my strategy, and I will take the trade. That is how I trade. So I don't know, unfortunately. I don't know how you are open to share, but if you don't care sharing, how much roughly do you enter on average in a normal trade? No more than 25% of my account. I don't talk about dollar amount and how much money I make or anything in the Discord, rarely ever, because I don't think it is necessary. It doesn't matter. If I told a member or I told you guys I was making $1 billion a day, or if I was making $10 a day, it means absolutely nothing to you guys. All right, for me, I'm here to teach you guys and show you how I trade and how to become a profitable trader. That is the most important part. If I make $1,000 a day, if I make $10,000 a day, for you, it means nothing, right? It might motivate you, yes, but it doesn't mean anything at the end of the day. You will not be able to achieve that if you don't know how to trade properly. And that's what I'm trying to do, is teach you. I guarantee if new traders learn, yes, you are correct, Mr. Fig. FGN, what are your thoughts? My thoughts are, if it can break above 103, then there should be continuation to the upside. All right, so FGN, 103 break equals entries. All right, guys, I'm going to head into Discord. Let me go over this stuff, and then I'm finito. What is considered a clean break over? What is considered a purchase price? Clean break. A clean break over means a candle body must close above. I'm going to go over this last time today before I pull my head off. Here we go. Candle body closes above. If the candle body closes above, you wait for that 5-minute close above. This is closed above. Fantastic. Now you take the trade. You have 5% target, 5% stop loss. That is it. Clear, concise, quick, easy. That is it. Rhyme is pushing a bit. Oh gosh, this is not a great chart. Rhyme, nothing unless 340. Nothing unless 340. MDT, there is a terrible chart. This is extremely bearish. Nothing on this. I wouldn't take this unless even $88. MDT, no entries unless. This is someone who's probably held through earnings. I'm assuming this is earnings why it's dumped. PRPH. Guys, I've gone over PRPH 100 times, but you probably just joined PRPH. I expect it to continue to go up. This is my prediction, and it's doing what I expected. Woohoo, how cool. Fun, fun, fun. Very nice on PRPH. Looks the best setup. PRPH is the best setup right now. It looks great. I think it will continue to go up today. All right, bro, you sound like you're streaming from Mars right now. Hello. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. All right, I'm going to choose a couple of these and I'll go through GXAI. GXAI, nothing on this, maybe above $2 at the moment. Chart is too bearish for my liking and very, very low volume, unfortunately. Could be a true question, but what would you include FX rates in a stop loss? Suba is down 3% for me, another 1.5% for GDP SD fluctuation. Should that consist my 5% stop loss? I'm not too sure what these FX rates are. Use a zero commission broker if you can. I think that would be best. If not, you just got to account for the commissions. is JTAI. Let me look. JTAI. Let me see. Yeah, JTI does look good. I'll keep it on the watch list. I know probably Hassi will trade this today. I would say if it breaks this high here, good entries here on JTAI. But I know a lot of people are watching it. Still bullish. Looks great. JTAI needs 1041 break above. Any insight, Rani? This is my last one. Then I've got to help 2 members in the Discord. Guys, for those who just joined, please check your Discord DM. All right, 2 people that joined, Discord DM. Check it out. Rani has 0 volume. If you're looking for an entry, you taking it above 190. If you take it at 189, that is incorrect. All right. I hope you guys have a great evening, morning, afternoon, wherever you are, and I will catch you all later today. Discord members, live train link will be sent out in 15 minutes. All right. Peace.